What's going on, guys? Decelation.
What's going on, peeps?
Brian. And we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. But before we get to work, we kind of have something important to tell you, something major.
Well, he does.
You're part of it, too.
Oh, I guess I'm part of it, too, yes.
So, well, people, by the end of this month, I'm going to be a Florida man. Yeah, I have to start work down in Florida by August 1st. So, there's been a lot of work that's happened. I don't know if you guys can notice, there's side panels on. I need to get this in a transportable state. So I've been working, and I apologize. Setting up camera angles and trying to do things where you're not blocking the camera and everything. It doubles the time. Legitimately doubles the time. And I have a lot of stuff. I have to get the house set up to get moved. There's a lot of things that need to happen right now. So I'm just like, I just needed to go to work. And what you see is a culmination of about 10 hours of off-camera work. Brian had to work last night, and he had homework, so it was just me. I think he'd rather be here.
I hate databases.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Hey, you want to tell him your special part?
What special part is that?
The fact that I'm abandoning you only temporarily?
Yeah, that is true. He's going to become a Florida man, and I am looking to head down there after the start of the year. So we'll have a little break while he's down there messing with his car by himself, but I'm heading down after the start of the year. I get a bonus at work in December. And then I will also be a Florida man, but no, I'm not growing a mullet. A little too thin on top for all that funness.
I can't grow a mullet either. I don't think I've ever showed the top of my head. It's pretty bald. So yeah, I won't be growing a mullet either. I mean, hell, I could probably grow a cul-de-sac though. But yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. So let's break down what 10 hours of work will get you when you don't have to have a camera on you. So you want to lift that seat out? When I last left you guys off, I was in the process of wiring up my little aux switch. Now I'm gonna run it right here under the carpet and everything, tentatively. If I gotta move it, I gotta move it. But right now, that's the tentative location for that. Cool aspect. All right, here. Got this working. You see it? You see it, people? Look at that. Oil cooler fan. Motherfucker. Yeah, it's fast. That you saw that live. Don't stick your hand in running fans, kids. Yep. Blowing. Yeah. That rips. I'm gonna turn those two off. And we'll kill this. Alright, now that we got that part done, covered, I also put the side panels on because I need to figure out the routing on these wires. So I'm about to do that next. So I need to get these wires appropriately tied off, connected, loomed, placed in a location that's easy to get to. But man, even though they're covered in dust, these tail lights came out very nice as well. Got my gas gauge. I haven't permanently connected this because all this has to come off when we put the body back on. So, yep, got that on both sides. And here goes a few hours worth of work as well. So Brian and I, when we left off last week, we had discovered a small little air pocket. Well, I'm gonna put these pictures up right now and show you that the air pockets were bigger than we thought. Right here, there was a window after I ground out all the air pocket. And right here was pretty deep. So I kind of reworked this a little bit, and I'm gonna give Brian a reprieve. Wait, I'm gonna finish.
It's all you, brother.
I'm gonna
All
finish.
you.
I think he's had enough of the body. I think it's fair. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this. This probably just needs to be sanded, blocked out, and it'll be good. And Brian, what are you gonna work on?
I'm gonna try to relocate that heater control. We'll put the new heater control switch in and move it from where it is up here is an eyesore blocking his outstanding coil pack. So that little block is gonna move right in line with the hoses right there. It should work out pretty nice. Thanks there, Mike at B Woody. That was the idea we saw there. That goes along with the moving of the wires around. So that'll get rid of this. It'll be up here, and then that'll make for a cleaner run of Gary's air conditioning.
Yep. So freaking sweet. But all right, you guys, we're just going to go to work. Sorry, I'm kind of on a time limit. So I'm going to show you guys our progress when we're done. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back, guys. So got a lot of work done. So first things first, heater control valve. We got it relocated. We were trying to get it down here, but just wasn't enough space to really fit it. And the way the body sits over the cab, there's like a little bubble here, so it'll sit in there nice and snug. Only thing I'm missing is I do need to have a 3/4 inch hose to fit for this, the inlet back in for the water pump, and then we can put coolant back in it and re-bleed the coolant system. Yay. What else that I've got done was I did manage to finish one harness, but I do need to finish the other harness, which is pretty easy now that I have the blueprint. So that needs to get done. But yeah, that heater control valve kicked our butt. But also, as you guys saw, the body was kicking our butt as well. But man, it looks beautiful. Now, it's not a perfect paint job. Far from perfect. But perfect for me. I'm very pleased with it. Has this little roughness, but this is totally a rattle can paint job, but it's perfect for a driver, because I won't feel bad about going on a 1,000-mile drive, beating it up, parking it outside. I know me. If I have a car with a perfect paint job, I'm gonna be neurotic about it. So that's just something I'm not gonna deal with. Perfect. So this is painted a couple days ago, so I'm gonna let it cure for a little bit longer. Then we're gonna work and pull that out, take apart the back panels, because this gets in the way of trying to put that of those. So we're gonna take that apart, put the cab back on, and then I'm gonna reassemble the entire truck because I have to get this ready for transport. Yeah, this has been a very hectic week. A lot of things had to happen. A lot of moving parts are going on, and really just trying to make everything happen for you guys. And if you guys are interested, I'll definitely kind of break down the logistics that goes into selling 2 homes, because Masha and I each have a home, moving 5 cars, including Masha's car, and getting all this set up. Like it's been very, very hectic, and then still I know I have to get this into a transportable state, so I've also been trying to get work done on this at the same time. But yes, if you guys want to know more about that, let me know in the comment section, and I'll gladly do a whole video or like a Q&A and like how I'm accomplishing certain things. But yes, I really do appreciate you guys watching. The upload schedule may be a little bit hectic. I am going to be getting an enclosed trailer soon, so you guys will see that and check that out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. There's some new cool stuff that I really want to make happen for this channel, so stick around. Have a good one, guys. Peace.